In order to apply pesticide in a safe and efficient way to the crop, spraying device is needed. This can be motorized one, but in many cases, Knapsack sprayer will be used. Knapsack sprayer is a manual or battery-operated sprayer carried by the operator on his or her back. Find a place away from home, people, animals, and water sources to prepare the mixture. Protect yourself during mix preparations and spraying using personal protective equipment or PPE, such as boots with pants, long sleeve shirt, gloves, mask, glasses. It is very important to protect yourself before handling pesticides. The sprayer contains the following elements: a tank, a pump, a nozzle. The nozzle breaks off the liquid in fine droplets in order to distribute the pesticide solution in a uniform way on the crop. The tank is to hold the prepared or mixture pesticide solution. Measure precisely the quantity of pesticide to dilute in water. Calculate the quantities to prepare as per the sprayer capacity and as per the size of the field to treat. Before spraying, the sprayer needs to be checked for leakage problems and calibration. Use a separate tag for herbicides. Ensure that the nozzle is not clogged. If this is the first time you are using the sprayer and the nozzle, it is a good idea to calibrate it. Walk and spray the whole plant, the top and bottom. You can spray early in the morning hours or late in the afternoon. Avoid spraying at the hottest of the day. Check the weather. If it too is windy or there a chance of rain, postpone it. It's better to spray the solution the day it is prepared. Do not postpone it.